Hello, amazing learners. What's up? Welcome to English Tour. Are you tired of feeling like English grammar is a giant puzzle? Words flying everywhere or rules that make your brain hurt? Well, you are in the right place. But you only need 20 short sessions to learn 80% of English grammar. Wait, 80% in just 20 sessions? Are you serious? Absolutely. For this, we only need 20 grammars in English. You heard right. Only and only 20. Okay, but what are they? Here we go. These are exactly the things you are going to learn. Each lesson will be short, simple, and easy to follow. No boring stuff, I promise. These 20 sessions will build your grammar step by step so you go from beginner to upper intermediate by the end of these 20 sessions. So what are you waiting for? Buckle up because with this playlist, 80% of English grammar is in your hand.